Hello, Verity Traders. This is our daily market recap. Let's get into it. On the news, we have the markets closing lower this time. They didn't really move anywhere. It looks more like a consolidation. The CPI number came out as expected. At the beginning was good news, but then towards the end of the day, faded and didn't move the market much. The financial sector broadly weaker, dragged down most of the market as Trump proposed this 10% credit card rate cap. The rate cut optimism faded towards the end of the day, even if CPI came out in line with expectations. And the Fed situation, let's call it like that, is still ongoing, but it's still affecting the market. Overall, you can see we have a 50-50 situation still on advancing and declining stocks, and we still have 75% of stocks that are making new highs and only 24% making new lows. So we still are in a bullish environment. Now on the economic calendar, we have the core PPI. Let's see how that will go, if it comes in line with expectation or not, but I don't think it's going to be a great market mover. Looking at our sectors, as we discussed at the beginning, the financial sector is dragging down the market. We also need to consider we have financial earnings, so we'll see how that's going to go. But for the Trump proposal, you see that the financial sector is not doing very well. The Magnificent 10, we still don't know what's the situation there. You know, it's just like a sideways kind of consolidation / down move. The Microsoft, Amazon didn't perform very well. Tesla, Nvidia, and Apple, they're just like not moving. They just keep being where they were. But we still have, as I said, pocket of strength, like an industrial, real estate, and energy, you know, for all this Venezuela news. And consumer defensive are recovering pretty well. So we might look at some trades over there. The S&P, as we discussed at the beginning, it moved down at the beginning of the day, just moved back up, recovering a little bit of the losses, but still didn't go anywhere. As I said, it looks like more of a consolidation. Still bullish. I wouldn't make any decision, wouldn't take any precaution or measure onto the bear side yet, because we don't know what's going to happen, obviously, but we're still above the 20, we're still above the 50. This is still a bullish price action. Moving to the Qs, the Nasdaq, again, they're always lagging a little bit compared to the S&P, but again, didn't really move much anywhere. We are at this level of resistance. Let's see if we can manage to break up to the second level of resistance. But again, we're still in a bullish situation here. I wouldn't go bearish. I wouldn't start to counteract the market. Stocks to watch. On our list, we have ExxonMobil. Again, the energy sector is being volatile, but we still see opportunities over there. Monster Energy, STZ, and IREN still there. On the bear side, we have CPNG, CRDO, and Best Buy. Again, this is not financial advice. These are just stocks that we're adding to our watch list. You can add it to yours if you want and keep having a look at them, monitor them in case you want to put on trades.